Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you listen more updates about Kishu Inu coin, its price prediction this year Mega Bullion, that by the end of this year Mega Bullion, how many zeros Kishu Inu coin can kill here. Is this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin, just like Baby Dogecoin? This is another 4 years old meme coin. So is it possible that we can see its listing on Binance just like Baby Dogecoin or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So Fresco issue current price reprint 9 times 0 $2. So Fresco issue current price reprint 9 times 0. So Fresco issue current price reprint 9 times 0 to $1. Pump almost 11% last 24 hours. So this is good that right now Kishu is also pumping here $20.3 million market. So friends, market is good and $954,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. So trading volume is also good, and because this is very old meme coin and it's still tier 1 central exchange listed left for this coin, so trading volume is nearly $1 million. So this is no doubt friends good. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin, you can see friends a dog theme meme coin. Ethereum chain, we are 99% down than its all-time high. There was in 21. Okay, you can see 15 by 2021, this meme coin hits all-time high price. It was 0.7 times $0.17, where from we are right now 98% down here. So this performance is not good, only 200% up than this all-time low. They were also its launching price it been 10 times $0.68, also 4 years ago. So very old meme coin, but friends, still Kishu is active in crypto market, is still is trading volume is nearly $1 million. So this is good, that's why. And still Kishu is looking good, and community is very bullish in Kishu. Friends, these are some central exchanges where Kishu is listed. You can see OKX, Gate.io. Mostly are those central exchanges have already listed Kishu in 2021. So recently there's no any major central exchange list Kishu coin. And friends, you can see there's Gate.io and MEXC. So if you not have Gate.io and MEXC exchange account yet, I provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched low cap meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. 266,000 holders. I can see friends, number of holders 266,000. So this is good. Number of holders are amazing because they all meme coin. Number one wallet has 24% of supply. Number second wallet is dead wallet. You can see 3.3% supply is burned. Okay, so this is somehow good that its supply is also burned. And Uniswap, Gate.io, MEXC. So mostly some other Saint like exchanges holding this coin. You can see friends, Bitrue is here, OKX is here, CoinX. Okay, so Hotbit, ZB. So mostly central exchanges and some other wallets holding this coin, but top 10 wallets holding more than 1% of supply. So this is somehow good friends. There's no any value issue looking here. And no doubt Kishu is very old meme coin and is still active in crypto market, so we cannot say that Kishu is a dead meme coin and right now Kishu will drug. It's not like that friends, because you can see it's still trading volume is nearly $1 billion. So this is good, and right now Kishu is going upward. But no doubt we are 98% down in its all-time high, so this is not good performance from this meme coin. But face number of holders are also good, so I think definitely Gishu coin has potential to be the next maybe $500 million market or $800 million market. But Binance listing, I'm not sure that we can see its listing on Binance exchange, because friends, Baby Dogecoin was amazing meme coin and got listed on Binance exchange after 4 years of its launching. But Kishu is still not listed on any other central exchange. Okay, in 2025. So maybe we can see its market cap up to 500 to maybe $800 million in this year's super cycle meme coins mega ballon. And Kishu can hit its all time high. Okay, a new all time high. Also, it can break its all time high and make a new all time high. But I don't think Coinbase or Binance will list issues. Maybe it's a meme coin, and in crypto market everything is possible. But right now, I don't think we can see it's listing on Binance. But friends, definitely Kishu is a good meme coin, very old meme coin, is still active in crypto market. So Kishu can give us a good profit here. And if you not join my Telegram channel, I provide you all my latest videos information, all other information on my Telegram channel. So you can also join my Telegram channel for the latest crypto updates. Just like you can see friends, I told you about Shiruniku. Okay, I told you about KKS coin and Happy Cat coin. Okay, so you can also join my Telegram channel for the latest crypto updates.